there are at least two nice software that can be used for video analysis of data. One is Tracker Video Analysis. What is good about it? It's free. You can Google it and download it and upload the video, take some data, play with this. But I personally like different one, Vernier Video Analysis. It is not free, but you can set up a 30-day trial, then maybe a next one, maybe a next one. You didn't hear it from me, but there is a way to use it for free, at least one semester long. And if you get to that link, you will be able to choose your own video file, or you can play with sample videos. For example, this one gives you a way to analyze the motion of a projectile. So what does it have? Well, the good thing about this video analysis system, it has an internal scaling tool. So if you have an object with a known length, like a meter stick set on the ground, you can use this tool to set a scale, which is a convenient way to get actual data. Then you can select the origin at any convenient location. Well, probably not here, let's say. Too much here. All right. Again, doesn't really matter, but neat thing to use. Now, you can track the motion of an object. So this should be green. You need one object. You could add an extra object, and you need to add a tracking tool. So now you just adjust it and click, and you can see that you're starting getting data. All we need to do is just repeat the procedure again and again and again. Well, let's make it move. And I'm gonna skip again, 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 again. Don't advise your students doing the same. Now what you can do? Well, if you enlarge the graph area, you can, well, choose what you want to measure. For example, if you don't want to measure X coordinate, you can measure only Y coordinate. And with that coordinate, you can try different fits. Linear clearly doesn't work. Okay, so next best choice, of course, is quadratic. Quadratic fits nicely. And you even have an equation here. And as you know, it will give you the value of a free fall acceleration, which is actually, I'm not going to tell you how, but it will give you close to 9.8 meters per second squared. Take my courses if you want to learn more. That was a joke. You can't. And of course, you can track the tangent along the graph, and you know what tangent is about, or maybe not. If you don't know, again, take physics, and then what you can do, well, you can actually track vertical velocity. Well, for this, probably you should try, oops, I don't want annotation, no, wrong. I want a linear fit. And a linear fit also tells you something important. Well, okay. You can repeat the same kind of reasoning for a horizontal coordinate. Not bad. What else can you do? Well, you can use the chart, which gives you a lot of interesting data. Now, let's say some of the points not really good. Well, you can delete them and retake them. For example, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, and now you can retract, let's say, this point. Well, so as you can see, this is a pretty powerful software that might become very handy for a physics teacher. Thank you. Stay healthy, and thank you, world, for our existence.